My land off.
Yeah, listen, I want to confront my
my land off.
Go start that motor.
Hey, that
Let me
Leave me hand. Come on, leave me hand. You know how to sort yourself, Abby? Give me that key. Give me the key. Leave that boy. Come on. Leave me. Leave me. Come on here. No, come on.
Problem, but only thing wey dey be say I don't tell you say collect.
You know, they give me as they give me as waiting now. Now me spoil the phone. You know go take me anything. How much for this phone? You know go take me anything. Bros, you say you want meet am, go meet am. I don't escort you come here.
Because if you know because of you, this man for don't spoil my small phone. See the phone no cost. I know say na Android phone no cost. Me to refer out to buy another one, no be something.
Go and meet him.
For all this na you cause am.
That is the reason why
I won't make it. Oga no go sit down o.
I dey here dey wait for you. Go
meet am outside o.
In the outside now.
Thank God. See am here o. See am here o.
Oga go meet am na kele.
Go meet am, no be you cause all these things. All this way dey happen no be because am.
So I still come house come find.
No, where I know this man. Where I know this people wey dey here. James, you spoil my small phone yesterday and no be say you take anything to repair am. But Oga, I dey talk to you, you dey go see. Muna come talk to you, may repair my give me my another phone.
You again, this guy.
Go make me work out come there end.
Come tell you how to make me another phone. Because now he get money every time. I go your house, I don't see you. I know see na here you go dey.
This guy, you again.
I no talk.
I want not talk to you again.
Whenever I dey talk, no talk to me.
Not come here again.
Whenever
you
I talk,
again.
no talk to me.
I forgive you yesterday.
This one is for neck.
Wait.
I forgive you yesterday. I forgive you yesterday. By now, Muna for the confrontation.
James.
I forgive you yesterday for one reason.
James, because this time around I know they put respect for anybody again. Respect is due to
one respect. Now this man go respect.
You understand me? Now, I dey ask you. You say you want arrest Matthew until waiting. No, you want arrest him.
You just dey comot for us.
He carry bodyguard now.
You.
Now they carry bodyguard now. Rich man. They carry bodyguard and you as big like this. They carry as bodyguard. You mumu yourself. This guy don't use your destiny. Man tell you. Oga, man tell you this guy. Shut up, your mouth at the talk. This guy don't use your destiny.
I'm telling you, don't shout for him, please.
Mr. Man, this guy have used you. This guy have they tell her hey. See,
what do you want to say?
I go blow your mouth here, that juju wey you use hold you down go comot. Na me know am. Na me know am well. Na see na my uncle. Na me know am well. I know a source of income. I dey tell you.
Collect the phone if you no be anything.
Okay, take this phone.
No say you no go take anything to buy the phone.
I don't know why you go spoil the phone. I know say
dey comot for house yesterday. Me and Benny go somewhere.
Hold the phone.
I don't.
If you no wan collect the, if you no wan work the phone, dash on the phone.
I don tell you.
Dash on the phone.
You see wetin your boys dey do, abi?
See, wetin advice I go don give you be say.
See your phone here.
See, Mr. Man, I don't want to know.
If you are done, go pick your phone.
See wetin the man.
If you are done, go pick your phone there. If you are done shouting, go pick your phone there.
Mr. James, you are bigger than what you are doing. You are bigger than what you. I see they ask myself. Say, now my uncle.
Yeah, please leave them. Let's go. Please.
Now they do this kind of thing. You are bigger than what you are doing. You are a big man. You're supposed to be living a good life. Instead, you say you want enter my. You want frustrate my life. I no ask you for opinion. I only call you to call my cousin brother, talk to him as uncle AB. Instead, him buy your mind, give you money. You can't go get my sell land.
The same thing wey they do before.
You get mine, go sell. If it be sell.
No be the same thing wey they do before.
If it be.
The first day when we go family house, wetin you do? The reaction, how you see the reaction?
One day nyash go open. I see they talk say wetin they do. He does the do for a source of living.
Reaction?
In the do ritual for source of living, and you call yourself a Christian. See, God, they watch you. I tell you. But I see if I talk,
leave this man. Let's go out.
I thought I said they don't hate this guy now. What do you want to tell me?
How much they give you, sir?
They are small.
How much this man they give you? No, talk how much they give you now. Where you don't get more than now. You just they talk.
Man to see, like I say.
I don't tell you.
I don't get. I don't even on the phone.
So
Uncle, wait now. I will just tell you. We say.
Like I say, I leave you yesterday for one reason, because I felt like whatever that is going on here is this idiot I have as a brother that conspire, that bring the legs for you guys. See, for you children to be coming to me, to be talking to me. I think I'm gonna put myself in this idiot to bring her. This is just what I get as a brother when you go and get understanding, as others they get understanding. Wait, when I try to get understanding, as far as they get understanding, just to a little favor you will do for your brother. Now him bring all
Which
this
favor? Not
whole
be you
drama.
they cause all this problem with you.
Now him bring all the whole
All
drama.
this problem.
And this person want to say, person we I say, if no be brother's sake, I swear to God, I keep telling God, say, if no be brother's sake, say if no be brother's sake, what time I do this just
See, it be say you be say.
Sometimes if I look at like, our father used to say, if he beats somebody for the right, he drag him for the left.
So
if somebody beats him for the left,
it be say you be real man. It be say you be real man. All this sort of issue what you do, you never do okay for you. I dey come out for house yesterday, me and Perry. You drive me because of all this. You beat me. You harass me.
I came to warn you.
You came to
which I wanted to detain you.
Did I offend you?
But I looked at
you
it.
came to detain me.
I came to detain you, but I wanted
I don't
to
allow you. I don't allow you talk too much. Matu. Mr. James, you have the money to. I know if you carry my money, they pay for damages. When me, I know say they owe me.
You are very stupid.
When I know say they owe me.
You brought this table here for this.
Close that door. Mr. James.
I don't tell you.
What's that?
If this guy touch my vehicle again.
What's that for?
If this guy touch my vehicle again, if you don't do your job. Aside from henceforth now.
What's that for? What's that for now?
I don't tell you all this. If you say no, if you say no, be you.
Okay, see, leave this people. Let's go, please.
Let's
go, please. Leave them. Let's go. We are going to now. We have to. So we are going to.
I wish this person is.
Leave this people. Let's go, please. Leave them.
I wish no be brother.
Okay, this motor no dey move for this place.
I wish.
This motor no dey move for this place.
I wish no be brother.
If you like this again,
I wish no be brother sake.
Muna, see no.
I wish.
No.
That's it. You know what? Respect yourself, Abi. You know what? Respect yourself, Abi. You know what? Respect yourself, Abi. Give me that. Give me the back.
What is that?
Leave that boy. Leave that boy.
Leave me. Leave me. Muna, come on here. No, come on. Yeah, Muna, grab this car, come on. Muna, leave me. Leave me. Go to my car. Go to my car. Go and get my car.
You see this car? See this car? If I don't carry this car, scatter for this woman, no take Sam.
how dare you carry my car?
You know what I mean? If I don't carry this car, scatter for this woman, no take Sam.
How dare you carry my car?
Okay, they stand here.
How dare you?
They stand here. They stand here.
How dare you? How
They
dare
stand
you?
here. Okay, now they there.
How dare
Carry that out. Carry that out. Come here. Carry that out. Come outside there.
Let's say they carry yourself.
Bring that out. Come outside there.
this car?
Muna, why you no jam the car somewhere?
Bring that out. Come
They
here.
carry the
Scatter the
car.
car. I think let's scatter my car.
This.
Let me.
All right, come on.
Let me. You don't go leave me. Leave my clothes. Leave my clothes. There you go.
Hold that job.
I'm with him. I'm with him.
Mula.
You don't carry the car go. Say don't go.
You pay for it.
Pay for it.
Yes.
You pay for it.
Yes.
You pay for it.
Yes.
You pay for it. Hold that boy. Hold that.
Officer, go, officer.
Give me my phone.
Leave my clothes.
Today I will return you. You know that it's not everybody you come. You enter my estate and come to my brother's
Leave my clothes.
You come to my estate and come and embarrass me.
I'm
I will return you today.
I'm here. You
When I tell your uncle to leave me.
See, I will carry. See this motor.
Tell your uncle to
See
leave
this
me.
motor.
Leave my clothes.
Leave her hand.
I will return you.
Leave her hand.
Leave my clothes.
You can't came have the
When my phone yesterday,
I will detain you.
You go leave
when you
her.
spoil my phone yesterday.
Today I will detain you.
You have mine.
Leave her.
Go to our house.
You.
I'm shouting.
When you leave her
phone
hand.
yesterday, stop.
You have mine.
When you put my phone in her hand.
No be the
Yeah.
see this
I will
car.
detain you.
You have mine. Go to our house. I'm shouting.
No, we see
You
this
Wait,
guy.
no my house you go yesterday.
have mine.
Not my house you
You see
go.
this guy, you know we stand
Yeah.
again. Leave her.
Yeah,
My
man.
clothes. Matu, leave him. I think they're not
Leave
getting
me.
that phone.
Don't
They
worry.
don't. You don't carry the car when they go house.
You will see.
Leave him. Uncle, leave him.
Leave my clothes.
Leave her hand.
People will say what them.
Leave her
People will say what
hand.
them.
Leave her hand.
I'm
If you arrest me, join.
with
You
them. I'm with them.
arrest me, join.
Look at what
I'm with
you
them.
You arrest me,
Leave them with
join.
them.
What you do for my
You arrest me, join.
I'm with them.
Leave her hand. Leave my clothes. Leave her hand. Leave her hand. Leave me hand. Leave me. I don't want to get talk about you. Leave me hand.
You have my hand. You get the mind to bring somebody.
Leave me hand.
To go and harass me.
You are mad.
You will sleep in jail.
You pay yourself.
Naraje, you too go sleep. Naraje, you go sleep. Naraje, you go sleep. Leave me hand. Come on, leave me hand. See that motor? If I don't get that, you are not that motor. If I don't get that motor, change my name. Carry the key, they go. Carry the key, they go. See that motor? Carry the key, they go. I don't know the key. I will call the security. I will give me this key.
Give me the key now.
Okay, let that key. Nyanya, hold this phone. Come close. Nyanya.
I will call the security.
No, Nyanya.
Don't worry.
No, if you don't come, come on.
Don't worry.
Nyanya, come. Hello, carry this stone in now.
Hello.
Who you want call?
Hello.
Who you want call? Give me that key.
Hello.
You will see.
Who you want call?
Yes, please. This is
No, you
Mr.
see.
Tell anybody where they go.
Yeah,
Yes,
has a
Go back.
16, Mr. J speaking. Please, my vehicle. Let's us 3:30. If you
Man,
see him coming out
man,
from the gate,
See,
stop the car. Stop the car.
You go find spare key today. For you see that motor, you know carry am.
Get me this idiot. Get this from me. Get this.
Go ahead.
See,
Fast now.
see,
Give me the key.
Bring this idiot down.
abeg, come hold this phone for me, abeg. Hold this phone for me.
If you know what to do for you now. Give me the key now.
Hello, security.
What is
Hello, security.
na you dey cause am.
Hello, security.
If no one bring my,
Hello, security.
no one go bring my land document.
Yeah, please,
I want to
please,
no one bring my land
just give
document. Go start that motor.
Hey,
Start that motor. Start that motor.
chase him. Chase him.
Ekere.
My car. Oh my God. Hold it.